Just about to make a new video for PTE Repeat Sentences, and check who I found over in here. Look at this guy right there. So back to the video. PTE Repeat Sentence Tips and Tricks Part 3. If you haven't watched the first two parts, make sure to go on our timeline, make sure to go on our page and watch the previous videos to make it make more sense. But for Part 3 of Repeat Sentences, here's a common situation. You heard the sentence, you're paying attention, but the accent is very hard. The speaker's too fast and it's really difficult to understand some of the words, so you miss the first couple of words and then you panic and then you don't know what to do and you just close your eyes and freeze and pray to God. Well, unfortunately, this is not going to help you in your exam. The most important strategy, if you miss the beginning part of the sentence, focus, don't get distracted, keep remembering, keep listening to the second part of the sentence. And what you can do, you can fill the gap in the beginning with random words, but say the last 5, 6, 7 words exactly as you heard them. So this way, you're still going to get the majority of your marks in speaking and 60 to 70% of your marks in listening, even though the first part is gone. So make sure you don't freeze, you don't get stuck, and you don't completely close your eyes and pray to God and give up on the sentence. Always keep performing, always do your best. Make sure to like and follow and save this video for part 4. And if you haven't watched the previous videos, check them out on our timeline. Take care.